Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining us again. We got cool little Klay with us.
How'd you do it?
And we got Lee Dawg.
What's on?
And we're going out for a little camp down Womwell beach and a little swim. Do you fancy a swim? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's have a swim. You want a little kinder? Right, let's get this show on the road. Where are we, Klay?
At the beach.
At the beach. Are we going to go for a little night swim?
Yes.
Nice. Get a little night swim on. You up for that, Lee Dawg?
Let's do it.
There we go, man. Been a while since we've been down here.
This is Rex's beach.
Good memories, bro. Good memories.
Get this on, boy. What is it?
Oi, Lee. Why did the sand laugh?
I don't know.
Because of seaweed. Have a day off. Have a day, mate. Prendre un jour. Well, it's a bit wet on that sand there. Oh, blooming handsome. Yeah, cause
he's on it.
You ready, Klay? We going for a dippy? Oh, you for a cupcake. You ready? Okay, you go for a dippy. Oh la la, you straight in. You know what, bro? It's actually fairly warm.
Help me.
You need help?
Hey.
It's taking me away.
No, it's a joke.
He's lying. You lying, boy?
Hold on.
You want to come with me? Right, let's do it, big man. Do you want me to do the same? Okay, I'm going to have to because it's not really getting very deep.
Is that it, yeah?
No, I'm going in.
Yeah, it's not deep at all, is it?
Yeah. Remember last time that's probably about as deep as it gets?
Yeah, that's it.
Right, here we go, bro.
Go on. Oi! How is it? It's good?
Oh, in some booty, bud. Some booty. Oh, mate, that's so much warmer than what I've been swimming in lately.
Yeah.
No. Oh, no. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. We make this coffee very quickly. And how would you like a hot chocolate, Klay? Would you like a hot chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, let's go up and have a lovely hot chocolate. Right, man. This little sip for me, mate. You can finish that off.
Cheers, mate.
I'll knock one up when I get up there, man.
I do. You're not cold there, at?
Nah, mate, nah.
You're like half robot, aren't you, mate? Like
Yeah.
AI there.
You know me, mate. You see me up in the snow, mate. I'll go up barefoot, mate. I'll get a weird sensation.
You love it, don't you? You like the Terminator, endoskeleton.
Cornish boy in him, mate. Cornish got that Viking in him, mate. Viking. Yeah, man. Not quite testing myself in the Sahara or anything too extremely hot, but when it comes to them Baltic colds, mate, I'm there.
You love it.
There we go. Show you the van. 2.5 man. Stop it. Are you warm, Klay?
Yeah.
Good. Are you ready for that hot chocolate?
Yes.
And are you excited to sleep in here tonight?
Yes.
Daddy's got a super cool van, no? We'll show you properly tomorrow, but Lee's going to sleep in that back bit up there with Klay. I'm just going to sleep on that floor there. To be honest, that'd be the comfiest sleep I've had for a while out and about.
Luxury for you, isn't it?
Luxury, mate. You're going to sleep where, Klay?
I'm not sleeping. I have a blue mattress.
No, oh la la. Is it an inflatable one? You put air inside of it?
Put air in it, look.
That's really cool.
Bad boy.
Blue one.
That's our new bed for tonight.
Me, I'll go straight on the floor. I'm a stoic kind of guy, innit? I like sleeping on the floor, so. Nice. Right, do you fancy a little bit of food as well, Klay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get something to eat on.
I have a banana.
Oh, good choice. I like that. That's a good choice.
I've got one in there for you, look. See?
Bananas help you grow nice and strong, no?
Banana.
What a legend.
Banana.
How does it smell, Klay?
Really nice.
Really nice? You're excited for the hot chocolate, no?
Yeah.
Good. And we got the whistling kettle.
Whistle crew.
It's gonna whistle.
Whistle be on.
It's not even whistling.
Okay, we'll crank it up a little bit. We'll get it whistling quick.
You want to try a little bit? Yeah, you don't want it now, do you?
Would you?
It's horrible. I'm not gonna have it.
Yeah, try some of that.
He'll have a little bit in a minute.
It smells terrible.
Right, what's this? A Trek bar, is it?
Yeah, I like
Salted caramel.
It's got a little cheek to it.
Oh, it's lush.
Yeah, I love them, mate. I'm always on them.
Right, 8, 9 out of 10, easy that.
Yeah.
That's the right little one for your track.
I'm not having that.
If you never tried it, little pasta and sauce, honestly, this is one of the best things to take camping. What are they, look, what are they, bro? £1.50?
Yeah, mate.
£1.50. Absolute delight, look at that. Nice pot of pasta and sauce there.
Cheap
Cheese
and cheerful,
broccoli.
that.
Cheap and cheerful, mate.
Mummy.
Yeah, exactly, this kid knows. He knows, doesn't he, Klay Dawg? Klay
Bear.
Rock.
Klay Bear.
There he goes. Would you like to try a bit when it's a bit cooler? Yeah. Okay, we can do that. Right, let's tuck in.
I don't do that.
Love you too, boy.
He's the cutest. Oh, it's nice. What do you give that?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
It's super good, no? Next time I'm gonna let you try the tomato and basil one. That's really nice. Do you like tomato and basil?
And I did this after I ate another one. I did watch this only the ear.
He just dropped that one.
I need to watch only the ear.
Right, it's how the cool kids finish the day off, innit? With a nice game of Yahtzee. Do you want to go first or second, bro?
I'll go second, mate. You crack on.
You sure?
Yeah.
But usually what we do actually is we roll and see who gets the highest total.
Oh, yeah.
So, 8, 10, 18.
18.
So if you beat 18, you go first.
Well, it's like flicking the old coin from the pool and stuff
You
like
got
that.
it, mate. You got it. There you go. He's up. That's definitely beating it.
Nice, nice, nice.
11, definitely beating it. Right, so Lee Dawg first. Adam second. Off you go, mate. 3, 4, 5, mate. I'm going to go for that.
Yeah. 3, 4, 5.
For that petty sweet. I'll take that for the petty sweet. The little straight, mate.
A little
Little
stretch.
petty sweet.
A little stretch.
Oh la la.
Going for it today.
Right. So 3 4s there. 12. Lovely jubbly. Off you go, mate. He's gone. He's gone. KO'd, isn't
He's KO'd.
for 1 pair, 2 4s. But
That's
here,
right.
here you get a bonus 35
Oh, yeah.
if you get 3 of each kind of thing. 1, 2, 3.
5 alive, isn't it?
That's the one, mate.
Yeah.
You need a 2. If
A 2,
not,
yeah.
go for a chance, which
Come on,
is
dude.
like anything.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, 2, mate.
shot,
Look
mate.
at that.
Shot. That's $40 on that, mate.
Oh, look at that.
40
That was
goldens,
the one,
mate.
wasn't it?
Lovely that. Put a bit of pressure on me, but 1, 2, 3, 4, straight out the
Oh, you
door.
got a flush almost.
Oh, stop it! What a reply, mate.
How did that happen, man? How
Yeah,
did
it
that
just
happen?
says what he does, mate. Do you know what I mean? Don't no one take me down
Wait,
yet.
are these weighted or something? Are these weighted dice?
Yeah, so what do you think there's one wood and one, mate? Do you know what I mean? If I were going to cheat, I'd tell you, wouldn't I?
That's funny, man.
6, 6. Go on, son. Go on.
Come on, 6. 6, 6, 6. Come on, 6. Ah,
Another 6, mate. One more chance, go on if you... You could do it with an extra 6 because you're
Come on,
minus 1.
Come on, 6. Come on. Ah.
Nice. Right, so you've got 2 choices. You can take a carry or 4 6s here. Personally, because you're minus 1 here, I'd take 4 here.
Yeah?
Yeah, because
Go for it, mate.
you're pretty much
This is the link,
assuring
yeah.
your bonus thing, you know?
Yeah, he knows the way.
Because the bonus is 35, you
He
want
knows
that,
the way
mate.
forward, don't you?
5 5, you want that bonus, bruv. 5 5. Oh, he's going for that Yahtzee.
Oh,
Oh, mate, I see
Yeah,
you
it's
getting a little
close,
bit
though.
scared there,
that
weren't
was
you?
close.
The more you understand statistics and stuff like that,
Yeah.
you just keep bouncing
Yeah,
between
you
what's
can-
more favourable at the time.
Yeah.
It's famous last words, and he ends up getting
Fours,
dropped off.
he's
Yeah.
got the 4s.
Nice.
Oh.
Then you have Brelon in Calais, which is that 3 of a kind or so that's full house, full vol os.
That is nice, isn't it?
25. Should I have to remember that? You've already got your petty sweet,
No,
mate.
1, 2, 3.
If I you need 3 and 4, so keep those 2, roll them, and if a 3 or 4 come up, comes up, sorry, then go with them kind of thing. 6 is a bit risky, mate. I don't
risky
don't
for a biscuit,
cost
is
you,
it?
but
Is
yeah.
it risky for a biscuit?
Come on, mate. Have a little bit of faith. Boom. There you go, mate. Brelon. Top Brelon as well.
What does that mean, brown?
Brelon.
What does that mean?
Dragesh.
I still don't know.
3 the same, 3 of a
Three
kind.
the same.
So, mate, I've played this in so many different languages, man, honestly.
super
Funfa.
cheeky.
Cali. That's super good for you, bro. But that's what he does, mate. That's what he pulls it out, mate. Do you know what I mean? He pulls it out of the bag, mate.
That was one.
Another rub out of the hat.
The one.
Funfa.
Funfa.
5s.
Oh,
you're in a bit of a sticky wicket there, mate. Sank. 5-5. Don't really need that, but Brelon, chance.
2-4.
Come on, we go again. That's what he does, mate. Brelon. 3 less than you there, which is that can cost you that 2 or 3 points on those, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hayoken. Spin kick. Hayoken.
Don't worry, mate. I've got some chopsticks in there. I'll pick them
Oh,
up. Yeah.
Miyagi. There's no way you're Miyagi in
Yeah,
that.
I swear to God, mate. I swear to God, do it with my fingers, mate. You think I'm joking?
Do it with that bent spoon, mate.
Nah, I'm joking, mate. Yeah, don't teach that at Cali, mate.
Twos.
Four.
Shizzle manizzle.
One more chance, mate.
Come on, shizzle manizzle.
Ah, he's done it. He's pulled it out.
He's bagged it.
I'll take that all day long and twice on a Sunday, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Bonus is easier to get, but the Yahtzee is more rewarding.
That's it.
What are you doing, man? You going for it?
Take a bonus a bit, mate. Yeah.
So what, you're avoiding the Yahtzee?
Nah, the other way, mate, actually, yeah.
You want 3 there?
Yeah, I'm not going to get... if a Yahtzee's worth more, isn't it?
That's risky, mate.
Yahtzee's worth more,
That's risky. Okay, I need 3 6s as well. If not, I don't get the bonus.
Oh, this is so close. I can't believe you said that.
And what's good is...
How do you say that?
Is I can go for the Yahtzee as well.
You little...
I told you, mate.
You late.
Yeah, I know,
You
mate.
got this extra dice.
Luck is the Irish, isn't it, mate?
Nah, it's not a lot. There's something going on in that sleeve.
It's all in the wrist action, mate. Do you know what I mean? Honestly.
You little weighted dice.
All in the wrist action, mate.
Okay.
Man's been playing crap since way back. Saying that, you still got a chance for Yahtzee, mate. What are you doing? Your 4s? You just go for it. You need 5 4s, don't you?
Come on, 4s. Come on.
And again, mate.
Come on, man.
If you don't get that, I've won.
Come on, 4s.
There we go, mate. And still, the undefeated champion, man. You have watched you, me and Dupree, nah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, where he says that after the pinball, man. Good match. Good match. Yeah, man. You honestly, man, I was whitewashing him at one point, then he got a Yahtzee out of nowhere. Started well.
Those
Come on,
dice
mate.
were loaded.
Elbows, Nigel, elbows, man.
Nah, I deflected one.
Nah, you couldn't.
The next
yeah,
time,
that's fine.
The next time you were like getting competitive, and you give me the look. You give me the look, like, all right, man. But like, I couldn't make the number.
because I let the first go for right. He's not judging it. Then after a while, it's like, what's going on? Like, why are you always getting better with the elbow then? Man? Do you know what I mean?
That's getting competitive, man, isn't it?
The minute you get a couple of heads, you're like, nah, don't worry.
You don't really care, like, but then. Yeah, it got a bit more competitive.
France, Germany, Switzerland, England, Croatia. That's what I do, mate. I go places and I load dice. I load dice, bro.
How much dodgy you would have won. He's got check his sleeves.
That's why I'm wearing a hoodie, mate. You know what I mean? Anyways, we're gonna check out for tonight. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Have a little bit. Top of the morning, man. What you saying? Lee? You sleep good, mate?
Oh, I slept well, mate. Yeah, I slept good.
Nice, mate.
The bear is still sleeping.
Bear, mate. No wonder, mate. That's decent sleeping mode, that one, man.
Yeah, it's good, mate.
Another alarm there, mate.
Yes. Yeah, it was getting a bit warm, but I evened them up.
Yeah, beast that one, mate.
Yeah, look at that.
Proper. How much you pay for that?
I think it was reduced to like 30, 38, something like that.
That's solid, mate. That's solid, bro. Gonna get us a little cofferoo on, and then we're gonna, well, I'm gonna have a dip, mate. You gonna have a little dip?
Yeah, why not?
Why not,
Wake
mate?
up in it.
Why not, man?
Go.
I like it, mate. I like it. No, honestly, mate, I really like the stand. I'll give you a little tour of this, man. Perfect size, ain't it?
Yeah, mate. That's all you need, really.
Solid, man. Got everything, man. Right, here we go. Lee Dawg MTV Cribs. Show us your pad, mate. Show us your pad.
Oh, welcome to the crib. The swimming pool's there.
To the beach.
Yeah, have a look.
Lush, man.
Have a look. It's all you need.
It's got a nice microwave here.
When you plugged up, mate. Get that on
It's
the go.
plugged up. Got a little sink there. Go on, Lee. Show us what you got, mate.
I haven't put any in tapping yet, but that's in the process. And we have a like cooker here.
Little oven, couple of oven hobs on top.
Excuse the stuff. This was spare at the moment thing, but there we got like hobs on the top.
Yeah, because we literally just threw everything in last night. So we got this lovely seating area over here. You can bang in. Like I put these cushions on the floor last night. Lovely, lovely sleep. Got a little Klay bear still sleeping up there. That's huge, that as well, man. You get a few heads in there. Nice little door that goes into the front.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Like you haven't got that much room for your feet if you're really tall, but I'm only like 5'9", so I'll fit in alright.
Get in there, mate. He's
Yeah,
lush,
I've got in
man.
there.
Honestly, I think it's lush, man. Got a nice little. What's that? A heater or a fan?
That's a heater, but it's like it does blow out, and it's not. It's on. It's like a little digital buttons.
Nice, nice.
So
Got my
don't get too hot to burn up, maybe.
got my clothes there, looking so not so tidy. Got pink and purple vibe for today, and we'll just have a little look down that side door. We get past them stingers. Just in here, he's got some space in there as well, Matt. Nice TV's gonna mount up in there. Nice. And of course, just up there, got a few seats. And some extraordinary views. MTV Cribs Lee edition. He's looking solid, Matt. He's looking solid. How much you pay for that, Matt?
I saw my 4x4 for it, and my 4x4, well, he was only worth about like 5 grand by then.
Is that the one we came down here last time in there? Yeah.
By about 5 grand.
You used to camp in the back of that bad boy, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lee's like me, man. He's got the art of an outdoor lion.
Little toilet here as well. You missed the old.
I didn't even see that, man.
Toilet down under there, boysy.
I didn't even see that.
Got a little flush on the back.
I was sleeping next to that, mate. Didn't even realise. Lush, mate. Absolutely lush, man. Yeah, honestly, mate, I think that's quality.
Yeah.
Quality.
There's no shower, but I might design something to just come off the back. Say you've been down on the beach, right?
Yeah.
And you got like, you know, either if you got a wetsuit on or whatever, you can just give yourself a quick
Rinse off.
Yeah, rinse down and get the salt off.
It's nice to have the hooks and that as well. Put the towels there. There. So as you can see, it's not quite swimmable. Not unless we go right down to that bottom. And yeah, I don't think Klay's got that in him yet.
He's tired, mate.
Bit early doors for that in him. Honestly,
tired.
mate, I had a cracking sleep in there, man. Lush, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You sleep good, yeah?
I slept well in that bed, mate.
Nice night. No wonder you were running up and down there late last night, mate. Honestly, this guy's doing rocky moves down here. I got a video on my phone, but I'm not sure if we'll get that on. But yeah, nah, fair play to you, mate. You were killing it up and down there, man.
We'll make a better one when it's lighter, yeah?
Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. Anyways, big thank you for watching as always, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.